Ghent, a captivating gem in Belgium, effortlessly blends medieval charm, cultural vibrancy, and a progressive spirit to create an enchanting destination that caters to a wide range of interests. Nestled along the confluence of the Scheldt and Lys rivers, this dynamic city offers a perfect blend of history, art, gastronomy, and an innovative atmosphere. Ghent's historical significance is beautifully showcased in its architectural marvels and landmarks. The Gravensteen Castle, a medieval fortress in the heart of the city, evokes a sense of stepping back in time with its cobbled courtyards, towers, and drawbridges. The Belfry of Ghent, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city from its towering spire. The St. Bavo's Cathedral houses the world-renowned Ghent altarpiece by the Van Eyck brothers, a masterpiece that captivates art enthusiasts with its intricate detail. Art and culture thrive in Ghent's museums, galleries, and cultural venues. The Museum of Fine Arts, MSK, known for its exceptional collection of Flemish and Belgian art, presents works by renowned painters such as Hieronymus Bosch and Rubens. The Design Museum Ghent showcases contemporary design and innovative creations, reflecting the city's modern creativity. Ghent's culinary scene is a gastronomic delight that celebrates both traditional Belgian flavors and modern experimentation. The city's numerous eateries, cafes, and bistros offer a diverse array of dishes, from savory waffles to Belgian beers and local specialties. The vibrant Korenmarkt Square and the Gralle waterfront are perfect spots to savor local treats while soaking in the lively ambience. The city's commitment to sustainability and innovation is evident in its urban planning and events. The Ghent Light Festival transforms the city into a mesmerizing playground of light and art, attracting visitors with its creative installations and illuminations. The Vooruit Arts Center, a cultural hub with a rich history, hosts performances, concerts, and events that reflect Ghent's progressive cultural scene. For outdoor enthusiasts, Ghent's parks and canals provide tranquil escapes. The Citadel Park offers green spaces, sculptures, and walking paths, while the scenic Gralle and Korenlei canals offer opportunities for leisurely boat cruises and picturesque strolls. In essence, Ghent is a city that seamlessly fuses history, culture, and modernity. Whether you're exploring its architectural wonders, immersing yourself in its artistic treasures, savoring its culinary delights, or engaging with its innovative spirit, Ghent promises an enriching and unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Belgian heritage, creativity, and the dynamic pulse of urban life.